Yo, son, come like it's set over here, so brother. Son, turn up. So we have a big match, you see me? Saying catching versus Mona. The return leg. So initially, me have catching to win. Reason being, I think catching at home, I think they're going to put in a good performance. I expect them to put in a good performance. Mona won their game at home, which is quite good. That's very, very good. Winning the game at home is very, very important. Last matchup, I do think that Mona showed a lot with regards to firepower. But catching was more defensively solid. So go see how this one panned out now.
Yes or no?
Yes, coach.
All right, 3 phases committed, 100%. Everyone on the bench, off the bench, one family, united. Yeah? Yes. Okay. Mona!
Right.
Mona!
Right.
Yes, man. Yes, man. Yes, man. You have no foot, you know.
Alright, so we have a first water break. 25 minutes played. Very, very unimpressive 25 minutes. Game not settled. Not even one team didn't put three passes together. Be a kick. Be a kick and run down, but hopefully progress and get better. Because you know. Now come out of this. So threatening. Early substitution. Craig Wallace is something I like. So I'm going to pull somebody. I'm not cussing someone from early. Because you know. See substitution now. Wheeler come off. Unfortunately, because didn't think him did play bad still, honestly. Didn't think him play bad, maybe just never carry the coach's instruction. It's a football go. Trouble is, you know. What? Penalty. What? Penalty. First off, Mona 1, Catherine 0. Penalty scored by Dante Peralta. Alright, so first half out of the way. I think it's a good first half. Mona going leading 1-0 from a penalty. As we said, no, Mona always score. They always score. I think Catching gets some opportunities, unfortunately, to take it. I know it's a football is a game opportunity we have to take. Fairly good first half. Mona going as the leader, that's good. And especially then their way. But, so we'll see how the game panned out. Know what I mean? Good first half. I think Catching kind of hold possession nicely, but the game, the first 20 minutes, scrappy bad. But after that, the game kind of settled and we see a little bit more better where the team them play.
Yeah, share it. Alright?
Bomb by ball. Ball wicked afraid. Penalty. Penalty. Alright, so Catching awarded a penalty. Same exact place which one Mona get for them penalty. That tell us the football strange, you know. Yeah man, a penalty, my first one a penalty, man. Yeah man, a penalty. This one a penalty as well. People. Give me an interesting, very, very interesting. Look like it'll be a draw.
Oh, amazing, brother. Come.
Boom behind it.
Come on, again, master. Come on, again, brother.
A touch, boy. Well done, defender. Well done, defender. Well done. Good delivery that. Good.
No, talk to him now.
Ball up, boy. Take him. Nice work. Go on there. Nice work. Oh, well done. Good game, good game.